You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. Starting with a flower from the Dollar Tree or one in your craft stash, I decided I was going to paint the roses. So straight from the jar, I'm just using some Bohemian Brights. And at first I started holding it in my hand, and then I realized this gonna get messy. So I laid it on my table, and then I thought, that gonna make my table messy. So let's get us some paper towels, shall we? Now my shortcut brain says, we don't have to take it apart. We can paint it just like it is. And that was getting messy. I mean, messy is fun, but you know. So I take the flower apart and line up all your pieces in a row so that you remember what goes where. Or you'll have to refer back to this video like I do. And using today a bamboo skewer, which is also multi-purposing as its stem, I'm going to hold the petals down and paint directly from the jar of Bohemian Brights by Debbie's Design Diary DIY Paint. These have a built-in top coat, so I don't have to seal it or anything. Nice. And I'm choosing 2 different colors to give variation in the petals. And I found that the fabric allowed the paint to seep through, so I was actually painting both sides at the same time. I don't clean the brush out between the colors, I just keep dipping. Have you seen on Debbie's Design Diary painting faux plants? By using the Bohemian Brights with the top coat already built into the paint, it makes it an easy one-step paint method. I only have these 2 colors right now, and I'm thinking I need to go to the store and give me some more. I'm painting the roses red. Yes, painting the roses red. Pardon me, but why must you paint the roses red? Why not? Queen does what she wants. You can tell from the paper towel how much the paint is going through the fabric. Good thing I laid a paper towel down. But it's getting the petals saturated quite nicely, I think. Look at that's the back side. I'm just going to touch up the edge a little. Love it. Okay, so I decided I'm going to paint the leaf too, and I started with vintage linen, and I didn't want it completely covering the green. And then I decided, you know what, I want some yellow in that, and since I don't have the Bohemian Bright yellow yet, I went ahead and used some liquid sunshine. And then I came back in with some Fancy Farm Girl, which was almost the same color as the original leaf. And it gave it a nice textured, 3D kind of look. I like it. So I'm going to reassemble the rose, and fortunate that I lined them up in order, and I had this pre-recorded video to remember how to put it together. And you're just going to layer and fluff. Layer and fluff. It doesn't take long for this paint to dry, so I didn't really wait very long. I went ahead and painted the bamboo skewer also in Fancy Farm Girl because that's more fun than using the florist tape. Also, I'm not really sure where my florist tape might be. Anywho, let me know what you think. Easy peasy. Dollar Tree painted flower.